Hi everyone, I'm Davis. Welcome to IKEDA factory. If you're wondering what happens after an international order lands on our desk, today I will take you behind the scenes and show you exactly how we bring it to life. The big screen, it tracks every order in real time, keep everything seamless and organized. On my left, this is our production inspection line. I will introduce later. Right now, we're in the warehouse. Our team quickly and accurately pick materials based on the production list. Make sure everything prepared and ready for the next stage. Behind me, you can see the neatly and organized production lines. This is where endoscopy system, all-in-one machines, insufflator, irrigation bar, coproscope, stabilized source, and more come together, piece by piece. Let's walk through each stage. This is our assembly line. With meticulous attention, our team follows every stage of the process, from the board inspection, soldering, to the technical testing and final assembly, transforming components into functioning devices. Here is our editing test area. Every unit goes through the hundreds of hours of circuit testing, stimulating years of real-world use. Our goal to virtually eliminate the risk of the failure during the surgery. In the camera assembly area, precision is everything. Each endoscope camera is assembled with the micron-level accuracy in a dust-free environment. We also rigorously test for the IPX8 waterproof performance, ensuring the seal holds through the repeat disinfection and long-term use. This is where screen comes to life. Every display is bonded in a dust-free zone and pushed through the multi-rounds of color calibration. It's all kinds of attention to detail and reflects our dedication to craftsmanship. Here is our trolley assembly area where we make sure every detail is just right. Now back to the inspection zone, the final checkpoint before shipping. Every single unit goes through strict performance testing because for us, quality isn't just a box to check, it is the foundation of trust. Without it, how could we ever guarantee the after-sales service? The final step, packing and shipping. We follow a specialized packing process to ensure every product arrives safely, no matter the distance. In my ears, a factory is more than just a place where things made. It's kind of an organizer of beauty. At IKEDA, I can see it every day. Although we may be separated by the time zones and borders, I do hope you can feel the dedication behind all each product. Because it's your trust making everything happen. Finally, I want to say, IKEDA shines because you and us. I'm Davis. See ya.